In today's video, we are checking out the Hilton Garden Inn in Nusa Dua. Regular viewers of the channel will know I'm a huge fan of the Garden Inn brand, so it's fair to say I'm more than excited for this stay. If you're new around here, welcome. My name's Jordan, and I make videos on luxury hotels around the world. If that sounds like your kind of content, be sure to hit subscribe and stick around for the journey. But with that out the way, let's get into today's video. This property was previously operated by Ibis before Hilton Garden Inn took over, carrying out a full refurbishment before reopening in September 2025. Thanks to the recent revamp, the hotel feels incredibly fresh and modern throughout. With a total of 159 guest rooms, this property also feels open, spacious, and far larger than I initially expected. I opted for a deluxe pool view room, which certainly didn't disappoint. The bed was extremely comfortable, the smart TV was a great addition, and the spectacular view overlooking the pool really elevated the experience. One of my favourite amenity brands is Peter Thomas Roth, so I was genuinely delighted to see their products featured here. Alright, a bit of a plot twist. So as always, I have ordered the burger. Not gonna lie, this might be the smallest burger I've ever seen, but it's all in the taste, right? Sometimes less is more. Take a look at this. Literally, I think my 4 fingers. Definitely not the biggest burger, but it is all in the taste, so we shall see. Can it defy the odds? Right now, I'm not impressed. Look at this tiny, tiny burger, but how does it taste? It actually tastes beautiful. Great taste. But size, come on. There's no way this is going to fill you up. See me at the end, I'll let you know. Full verdict. As expected, it tasted absolutely delightful, but for the size of it, I just wish there were more. The pool is undoubtedly the centerpiece of the property, and rightly so. There are plenty of sunbeds, poolside service, and the pool itself is large enough for both swimming lengths and simply relaxing. Surprisingly, during my stay, I only saw one other person using it, which made the whole experience feel even more peaceful and exclusive. I have to try out happy hour. Today we've gone with the recommendations from the bartender. Smells beautiful. Let's give it a go. Perfect. As with most Hilton Garden Inns, there's an on-site convenience shop available, although prices are slightly inflated compared to nearby stores. The gym has everything you need for a solid workout, including cable machines, free weights, treadmills, and a bench setup. Nothing overly fancy, but definitely more than enough to get the job done. breakfast offered a wide variety of options, catering to both Asian and Western tastes, although the standout for me was definitely the impressive selection of pastries on offer. And there we have it. That concludes our stay at the Hilton Garden Inn in Nusa Dua. So, did it live up to the hype? I would say so. As always with any Hilton Garden Inn, there is a certain standard that is always met across all of the properties I have stayed at. Here is no difference. It's a brand new, fresh property, great staff, very, very comfortable. I would highly recommend. I think it gives excellent value for money. There was only one area for me that was a bit of a negative, and it was the size of that burger. I still can't quite get over it. But overall, a very solid stay and would highly recommend. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Right now, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world. So, join me in the next video where we head to Glamp Nusa, a glamping experience. I have never stayed at a 5-star glamping experience, so come with me and let's see what it has to offer.